Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. If you want to see a full description of the specific vehicle and a full list of individual pictures, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, local trade, 2005 GMC Envoy. This is the XL edition, which is going to make it a 7-passenger SUV. Guys, this vehicle has over 200,000 miles on it. I just drove it down the road. It shifts through all the gears just seamlessly. The brakes seem good on it. Seems like a really decent vehicle for considering the price of this vehicle. So if you want more information on that price, visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. There you can get a full description of it, and you can also get the price of it. The front of it, the paint seems to be in very good condition. I don't notice any chips, stains, no rust anywhere. On the front bumper, there is a couple scuff marks, one located right there, and then maybe one right there. Maybe they could even be rubbed out. The tread depth on these tires seem to be in very, very good condition. I would say 90%. They're brand new, basically, they look like. Factory GMC aluminum wheels. It is green in color, if you cannot tell. And like I said, it is the 7-passenger SUV. As far as the back, just like the side as you just saw, seems to be in very good condition. A couple scratches on the bumper, but absolutely nothing major. No dents. I don't see any rust on this whatsoever. Walking all the way around it, and all 4 tires on this, not just that one, seem to be, they are the exact same tires. They have great tread depth left on them. So an overall decent vehicle, especially for how much this is. It will not last long, so if you are interested, please pick up the phone and call. Power windows right here, they all work. I did check them. Power locks, they all work. I did check them. And power side mirrors located up top, and they work. I did check them also. So everything seems to be working in normal order. Cloth interior, as you can see here. Floorboard seems to be in good condition and don't show 200,000 miles on it. It's worn a little bit, but nothing major. CD player located up here. The radio, it does work. I checked it. AC and heat system works. Seems to be blowing out hot air, so that seems to be working. It's a little cold to check the AC right now. It is 4-wheel drive. I did turn that into 4 high, and it did kick in, so definitely a plus there. Passenger floorboard seems to be in very good condition. Same with the passenger seat. Definitely a really nice vehicle considering the price. Lock it. Center rear bench seems to be in very good condition. Floorboard seems to be in good condition in the rear. It does have rear heat and AC capabilities that can be operated from the back, as you can see there. It also does have child safety hooks located in this vehicle right here on the side built-in, so you can tether in a car seat very safely and securely, most importantly. There's the rear bench for 2. Overall, really nice vehicle. And even behind that rear bench, there is a little room for storage. And then that rear bench also can be laid flat too, if you need more storage room. And I did not mention when I walk around the back, it does have the rear trailer tow package on this particular Envoy. And again, guys, if you're looking for a very, very reasonably priced GMC Envoy, it shifts through all the gears. The heat seems to be working in it. Tires are in really good condition on this. This may be the one for you. 2005 GMC Envoy, just over 200,000 miles on it, but in really good condition considering. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you'd like to take a look at all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot, because vehicles like this will not last long. And for the best deal on any newer pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.